head outside the bus station a sec. I think you get some good angles there.
Yeah, I might go from the top. Yeah.
You can't go from the. You can't go up from up to the top.
Why not?
Still not finished with it.
Alright.
Yeah, you see works up there, but you can't have books. The books that can't happen anymore. Oh, it stinks here, you know.
Yeah, it does.
Sewers.
Oh, that one will be turning right. No, well, it's 197. Actually, it might do. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's turning right. It's better, but you haven't really filmed that bit yet. I get to see P&M and Pimlico. I filmed a lot this morning, man. Filmed the route visuals at like 7 AM. Very quiet.
Filmed 409 this morning.
Riding on the bus at 7 AM on a Sunday morning is the best thing ever.
Yeah, you know the 409, yeah? I think the timing is too generous on Sundays.
Can I put this here so just... Yeah, you can so it doesn't shake. Oh wait, it's got it in there.
Oh, there's a yellow bus coming in. Oh, route learning, that's what it is.
What is it?
A Versa, the school ones. Oh, is that one going into...
No, it does a really weird manoeuvre. Yeah, it does a very weird manoeuvre. It goes up there, and then, you know, obviously back out here.
Yeah.
You see now.
203 to Piccadilly. I might actually route visual that, yeah, later.
I'm going back to the traffic centre. Don't know about you.
I might see when Ollie wakes up, because like, he always wakes up like proper late, so I might just see if I can meet him.
Way more busy tomorrow.
Yeah, obviously.
With
Yeah.
Diamond as an extra.
What
All of this now is just stagecoach.
Yeah, it would be, yeah. Cause it's,
I could head Piccadilly, but it's the match done, isn't it?
what match?
Man United.
Again?
Yeah.
Blooming heck.
Last head there.
And it was Man City last weekend as well, this like same
Man City
weekend.
yesterday. Oh wow. With the killers film. That's even more stupid. Couple of stragglers. Yeah.
Yeah, same thing happened with Halifax, you know.
Yeah, told you management teams are nice.
Yeah.
I hate when people go at the back of there though. But you make it worse though with the kids.
Yeah, that was not very ideal. I don't know how you'd be that confused. With Halifax, yeah, it was easier to get confused, but like, put my neck here, like, how do you not notice you're on a road?
People don't know that the bus station is open. Because, you know, the older generation of the social media. I look at stupid woman. Never seen someone so stupid in my life.
What? I've got to see what... Oh, you know what's a pain for editing it? We've got tiny fleet numbers on these, so... Yeah, I think this is like the third 25 of that, or 20... Might have been just the joint ones, yeah.
23 is 29, they get mixed up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on one of them set. Not a set, but...
Or another route.
Yeah,
So yeah, 11267, that one.
Got a nice cab over it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wrong. Yeah, because that's on red. Yeah, it's going to turn in now. Did it?
Yeah. I like how they've got big fleet numbers on these. It's easier to edit because I put that
I think
fleet numbers on.
I was speaking to one of the managers before. Some people don't. Half of the managers don't allow. So half of them do.
Yeah, I think that comes out this way as well.
203.
Yeah. That is 11267, I think.
And a 7 is about to
Come
go
in,
past.
203 to Piccadilly.
And a 7 coming back.
Yeah. That one's got an odd place for a fleet number. That one just has to be different, don't it?
What's that?
A B network one.
I can tell by the back.
E300, yeah.
Yeah, it's 300.
It's not a man one though. It's the default
Yeah,
ones.
it's 300. I can always tell by the back of the bus.
Yeah.
The back has a different section. Another bus coming in.
Yeah. There's some that are really weird about, the E300s, yeah. You've got...
Also coming down, 7. And another one. Probably won't be able to get the 7. See, that one's buzzing, so you can get the 7.
Yeah, it might do. OWX, that's coming out.
It's going to do 360.
Yeah.
It's doing 360 about.
Yeah, that's going to come back in, isn't it? Oh, a B network. Well, not an actual liveried one, but yeah, it's got a...
Yeah, it's a B.
That one's off to Oldham or something.
Yeah.
Oldham or Middleton, one of them.
I can imagine. Yeah, Middleton already has a fleet anyway. Got a few hybrids. Yeah, I can imagine.
Then the EVs are for like 409, 17, 18.
I thought the 135 will get the EVs. It's a popular view.
Yeah, maybe they might get some as well. But apparently the EVs at the minute are just Oldham. But they might actually get some for 135.
I don't think they want too much EV, so
Yeah.
fire risks.
Queen's Road's not electrified yet.
Is Oldham?
Yeah, they're putting charges on. Oh.
Is that your 330?
Oh, yeah, no, that it'll be a different one. Mine left time ago. I swear I saw him in Hyde.
Oh, you did.
Just gotta wait for the thing. Yeah, that's stuck at the light.
Yeah, it goes down.
Yeah, it goes. You can tell it goes straight on. Yeah. Oh no, never mind.
No, it does.
I think that's the only non-stagecoach bus I've actually spotted today.
Yeah. Diamond comes tomorrow, and what else comes in? It's just Stagecoach that comes in. Stagecoach and Diamond.
Yeah, with Ashton. Ashton, I was surprised how, they've got first bus, I mean, yeah, 350 and...
199.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that, yeah. That was actually in when I came in, actually, yeah, one of these.
It looks
Skylines.
MMC, the MMCs are nice.
Yeah. No. It's High Peak, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool bus station.
Guess how much would the train ticket cost?
How much?
£1 and 5p from here, from Manchester.
Oh, that's an E2. I didn't realise any E200s sounded like that in Stagecoach. I thought they all sounded like... Oh yeah, that's where the whining noise is, yeah.
Yeah,
Haven't you noticed all the Stagecoach buses have like the whining noise?
I paid £1 5p. A single from Manchester, a child single from Manchester to Stockport on the 192 is £1. Pay the extra 5p for the train. There's no point of even getting the 192.
Yeah.
I'm gonna head up to that island over there.
Yeah, fair enough. I'm lagging again.
My camera's always reflective because it's my lens.
In North Korea, you have to have number plates on bikes.
Really?
Yep.
Well, of course it's North Korea.
Yeah. Right, that's off to Marple.
384 is very nice.
Yeah, I've heard things about. I mean, I've done the train line. You know, the Manchester to Rosehill Marple one. Because I had a Greater Manchester train day ticket once.
What bus is reversing onto that thing again? I've seen that driver so much today.
Gone for a little joyride.
Been here since 9 AM.
I swear that's usually a double decker.
384?
No, 358.
Oh no, play Sunday. That's a 300, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Can tell by sideward seats as well. There's three of them.
Where's that bus going? Do you think?
Hadfield.
No, I meant Depot.
Oh, right. I think it goes that way. You know, our way, rather than turning. Maybe we'll just have to see. Yeah, it goes this way.
No, you can grab it.
Just got to be careful not to film anyone. What a wild guess.
Not going to this. Oh, he's going to this now.
Yes. So that's from Dinnington to Stockport. And what's that one? It is 19266.
What did you say?
I said, do you reckon there's any coaches that come in here?
No. I think the only coaches that will go here is they all pay to that rather than to stop at the train station.
Halifax Bus Station's got a dedicated coach stand now. The coaches are going to come in soon. I don't even know why, to be fair, because there's only like 3 coaches a day or something that come in. is Wivenshaw. That one's SN17 MKO on 36A.
There's a bus coming down, I don't know what it is. Either E300 or E200.
C200. Because you can tell. Oh no, 300. Wait, no, it's 200, yeah. Because you know the fleet numbers on Stagecoach, yeah? If it begins with a 2, it's a long single decker. And then 1 is obviously the double decker.
Piccadilly then. 203, 203, 203, 203, where was it?